Can you think of a song that changed your life? Maybe it helped you through heartbreak, maybe it carried you through grief, or it reminded you of who you were when you had forgotten. Or maybe it gave you just enough strength to make it through another day. If you've ever had that experience, then you've already experienced something powerful. Music has the ability to not only affect our emotions, but also our bodies, our connection to others, and our sense of self. Hi, everyone. My name is Adisa Stewart, and I'd like to invite you to join me for a 30-minute interactive wellness session called Reclaiming Personal Power Through Music from Shame, Marginalization, and Burnout Toward Resilience. In this session, we'll explore music as much more than entertainment. We'll explore it as a trauma-informed, culturally inclusive, and embodied practice that can support emotional regulation, identity affirmation, resilience, and reconnection to our personal power. Together, we'll begin by talking about shame, not as a personal flaw or something that's wrong with us, but as an embodied and often protective response shaped by our lived experiences. We'll explore how shame can become intertwined with marginalization, chronic stress, perfectionism, emotional labor, and burnout, and how these experiences influence not only our thoughts, but also our nervous systems, bodies, and our relationships. From there, we'll shift from understanding to experience, using examples from R&B and soul, hip hop, reggae, soca, Afrobeats, reggaeton, and K-pop. We'll explore how different musical traditions can support different emotional and nervous system needs. Rather than simply talking about music, we'll explore it together through guided listening, breathwork, somatic reflection, and conversation. Because our time together is only 30 minutes, you'll also have an opportunity to shape the experience. Together, we'll choose 2 or 3 musical spaces to explore more deeply based on what feels most supportive for the group in that moment. Throughout history and across cultures, music has helped people survive, resist, celebrate, grieve, remember, and heal. It has connected communities, preserved stories, affirmed identities, and reminded people that they are not alone. My hope is that this session helps us reconnect with that same wisdom. You'll also leave with practical reflection tools and a curated YouTube playlist that you continue using as part of your own self-care and community care practice long after the workshop ends. Reclaiming personal power isn't about becoming someone new. It's about reconnecting with the parts of ourselves that stress, shame, burnout, or marginalization may have made harder to reach. Sometimes all it takes is a song to help us find our way back. I hope you'll join me. I look forward to sharing this experience with you. Thank you.